This is an Intoxilyzer 5064 series with a Guth 104D simulator attached to the breath tube. The simulator contains 50 solution and it is at a temperature of 34.0 degrees Celsius. The Intoxilyzer is powered off. I'll turn the power on the Intoxilyzer. And as it goes into the not ready mode, the breath tube pulls through the simulator the 50 solution at 34.0 degrees Celsius. The pump stops and the Intoxilyzer is in the not ready mode. I'll pause the recording until the instrument starts its diagnostics. The simulator solution on the right contains 100 solution that has just been changed, and the simulator on the right is heating up. The simulator on the left is still the same 50 solution at 34.0 degrees Celsius, but the simulator on the right has not warmed up yet. The temperature of the simulator on the right has now reached 34.1 degrees Celsius, so it's good to go. It's using 100 solution. I've placed the Intoxilyzer in ACA mode, so it will run just calibration checks. We're using 100 solution. The simulator with 50 solution is still attached to the breath tube. And it's still at 34.0 degrees Celsius. .100 solution reads at 45 milligrams per 100 mils. .51 milligrams per 100 mils. Using 100 solution. With 50 solution still in the simulator that is connected to the breath tube. temperature of the 50 solution simulator is still 34.0 degrees Celsius as indicated on the digital display. Temperature of the 100 solution is still 34.1 degrees Celsius.